what you want to decide. So this is in Thai Krathong. Today is a full moon, right? Loy Krathong, right? So this is Krathong. So it's very challenging though. It's good for here. It's like a meditation. It's a tasting to see how patient you could be, you know? But then it's not about being patient as also the main thing to serve it is food. And another thing, the number one, before we make a cook, you might see along the river will be the guy, you know, some of the guy, the older guy, that he will lead the Thai people, pay respect, you know, to say, to apologize to the gods of the river. In Thai, we call Papaya Salad. Have you seen the statue in the temple? Painting on the wall? You know, the lady with the long hair? So we believe in the water there's a God. So what you do? Hide it. A little trick. Any design that you want to do. So now you don't see that. Right? Take the leaf, prepare the leaf first. And take one of this, the banana tree. The one, the platform. Tear first, then you know you have, if you do this measure, when you fold the leaf, it will be about even size, you know? Right?
Oh, is that